For nearly 50 years, Tink's lures and attractants have given hunters the edge when hunting whitetail from the early season clear through to the late season. Whether natural or synthetic, they have a superior product to meet your needs. Regardless of when you're hitting the stand, number 1 Doe Pee is effective year-round. It's a non-estrous deer urine that works great as a cover scent. You can disperse Doe Pee on your walk-in, around your blind or stand, or even in the tree to keep the deer calm, interested, and headed your way. Tink's number 69 Doe-in-Rut works like a charm during the pre-rut and rut. And number 69 is the surefire way to get those big bucks fired up and headed right to you. With every option of dispersal you can think of, from pea fusers and buck pucks to drags and foggers, number 69 is going to get the attention of those dominant bucks and stop them in their tracks to create a perfect shot opportunity. Trophy buck induces a territorial challenge to another buck and provokes them to seek out the foreign intruder. Trophy buck works great when rattling and grunting or with a decoy to create complete realism. It can also be used in the early season when bucks travel in bachelor groups as a curiosity lure to bring them in. With almost 50 years of proven results, you can trust Tinks during any phase of the